Right then, here's a little video shot of my workshop. For one there for safety. Usual rubbish up on the shelves. All my router bits and bobs. The only few clamps I've got. There's the machine. All this made by my fair hand, of course. Project that's on the go at the moment. The bench is a little bit untidy. The all essential music. And we've got down there the other little bits. As we move across, coming up. Sorry about the quality, gents, I'm not used to this. Router already set up, and then we've got others bits and bobs, nail gun and drills and what have you, and of course the ever faithful bandsaw on the table, along with my other table, which houses my table saw and chop saw combined, which is done by Evolution. Not top of the range, but works, it does for me. And we come across a storage cabinet for screws, load of wood waiting to be and what have you, and all sorts, and I think that about covers it all. The ever essential brush for a sweep up, some more little mates that are always knocking around, and then down the bottom here, which I don't think I put in, that of course is my sander, router and the main drill. Well, there you go, gents, that is my little workshop, 10 by 8. What you see is what you get. Thank you very much.